Hello guys, okay, welcome again. In this video I am going to show you how to register your domain name and hosting with BLUEHOST. Like I told you, once you click on this link, BLUEHOST is going to give you a free domain name, right? So what you are going to be paying is just for the hosting package. So what you just do is what? Click on the link I sent to you, right? It's loading. So that will take you directly to the BLUEHOST platform. So what you are going to do is what? Just go straight away and click on hosting. Click on what? Shared hosting. Right? After that, allow it to load. And the next page that should open should be the what? Packages. So these are the available packages for what that BLUEHOST has. So if you look at the packages, you have the basic package, you have the plus package. The basic package costs about $2.9 per month, and the plus package costs about $5.45 per month. And for the choice plus, it's, you can see the price range. So one sweet thing about using this link to register is that it is going to give you a free domain name, right? A free domain name. Ideally, if you are going to be paying for this domain name, it is going to cost around $12. But if you register via this link, they are going to give you a free domain name. You get it? So a free domain name, that means you are saving close to 7,000 naira by registering with this link, and there is still a lot you are going to save. So let's get to what? Let's start registering immediately. So you click on the basic package, right? You now allow it to load. It is going to take you to a page where it will ask you to enter your domain name. So just like let's enter a domain name, create a domain name. It's going to ask you to choose a domain name, create a new domain name. So enter the domain name that you want to answer. That is the name of your business, right? So for say I want to answer the probity web. The probity is my nickname. I just love that name. So once you enter the probity web, and you are going to check for the availability of this domain name. Once you click on next, BLUEHOST is going to tell you if this domain name is available or not, right? So BLUEHOST is telling me, alright, so you can see that this domain name, theprobityweb.com, is available. There are some situations where if you want to register a domain name, it will tell you that the domain name is not available. What that means is that somebody has taken that domain name. That means you will need to find a way to change the domain name, or maybe you add 1 or 2 letters to the domain name. That is called domain tweaking. You try to tweak the domain name so that until this place will show you that it is available, right? So look at what I'm telling you. Assuming you want to register this domain name, say Austin, say you want to register Austin, right? If you want to register this domain name, and when you search next, click on next, you are going to see that BLUEHOST is going to tell you that what? The domain name Austin is not available for registration. What that means is that somebody has taken that domain name. So what you are going to do is what? Just click on back, then try to find a way to change that your domain name, tweak it. Maybe say put Austin, and you notice that this domain name is going to be available. Let me check that. So you can see Austin with E is what? Available. Once you see that the domain name is available, you can now proceed with your registration, right? So what you just need to do is to fill in your details. fill in your first name, your last name, your business name, and every other details as accurate as you have it on your listing. So this is my email address, thepropertyconcept@gmail.com. So you come here and what, make sure you select 12 months here. Make sure the thing is selecting 12 months, right? For basic plan of 12 months price, $2.95 per month. So you can see what your domain name is coming. This hosting package, once you register with this link, it is going to come with a free SSL. What SSL means is this. Look at this padlock sign. It means that your site is going to be secured. Ideally, if this site is not secured, you are going to see something like not secure. You'll be seeing what a red, this padlock will be opened, meaning your site is not secured, and you know the impression that this can give to your what audience. So it is important that you have SSL, with this hosting package, right? So let's move down and continue with the registration. So fill in these details and fill in every other thing as required. So I want you to look at this price. If you are going to be registering direct, this is going to tell you that you are going to pay $199, $119. That is a whole lot of money. I want you to come to this place, make sure you uncheck all this. Uncheck. It is going to, a pop-up will come up. Are you sure you want to do this? Say I really I really don't mind. Turn it off. Click on turn it off. Right? So make sure you uncheck these two again. Uncheck this, uncheck this, and the price is going to reduce to $35. Wow, from $119 to $35. So you can see, as I told you, once you register with this link, you are going to get a massive discount. So enter your credit card details, your card details here, and fill in everything. So, and it is going to deduct $35 from your account. Already it is going to charge you based on the current exchange rate, right? So put in your card, your Visa card, your ATM card, and it's going to everything is going to go successfully. So any other thing that you needed to understand, just quickly send me a message and I will explain further. So once you've made your payment, it is going to tell you what's successful, right? So once you are done with that, wait for BLUEHOST to send you an email showing you all the details that you require to log into your cPanel. I'll take it from there. So make sure you click on I have read and agree to BLUEHOST renewal terms and condition. Please check that terms and check that, and click on submit. Because I didn't fill in details, it's going to load and tell you that your purchase was successful. So well done, guys. So go ahead and do that. Anything you don't understand, make sure you come and ask me questions so that I will still explain, right? So thank you very much.